Birdman, aka Josh Bird. Just went up 10-9. 43 seconds left. 132 championship. Bird just got another takedown of 12-9 over Leon. See if he can ride this out. Leon's getting desperate a little bit. He's trying to shoot and take him down, but Bird keeps blocking him. Oh, wow. Fans wanted a Leon takedown, didn't get it. Bird's still up 12-10 with 21 seconds.
The winner, Division 2, at 132 pounds. From
5 seconds.
With a decision of 4-2.
5 seconds from a state championship. Josh Bird walks back to the middle. He rides it out for his second state championship.